Hello guys, welcome to Gladdy Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to become an agent on Poppolive. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Poppolive app. The next thing is to tap on your profile icon. Tapping on your profile icon, you just have to navigate to help. Tap on help. So tapping on help, you're going to see an option that says how to become an agent. You just have to tap on the arrow close to it. So if I tap on the arrow close to it, it's going to tell me, it says, let me read. Please kindly pass the face authentication first, then send message to agency application in help. Then our specialist will help you for your agent application process. So I have completed my first authentication. What I have to do now is to tap on message feedback in order to make my request to my Poppolive agency. So I have to select the category. I just have to tap on feedback, account and security. Now tapping on that, I have to enter the my request, which says, please, I want to become an agent Poppolive. So you just have to submit your request, and within 24 hours Poppolive will give you reply on that. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.